Generative AI is revolutionizing the way chatbots interact with users. Here's a deeper dive into how it empowers brands to create consistent and engaging brand experiences. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Leveraging generative AI, that is Gen AI, to create a consistent brand personality can be a powerful way to ensure that your messaging and interactions across various channels remain cohesive and aligned with your brand identity. Traditionally, chatbots relied on pre programmed responses or decision trees, limiting their ability to adapt and respond naturally. Generative AI changes the game by enabling chatbots to number one, understand brand voice and personality. That is, generative AI models can be trained on a vast amount of brand specific data, including marketing copy, social media interactions, and customer support conversations. This allows them to grasp the nuances of a brand's voice and personality. Number two, generate consistent communication. That is, chatbots can leverage this understanding to generate responses that are not only informative but also consistent with the brand's tone and style. This fosters a more natural and engaging user experience. Number three, maintain emotional connection. Generative AI can go beyond just factual responses. By analyzing brand communication patterns, it can incorporate emotional cues to build rapport and maintain a positive. You can deploy Gen AI powered brand personality across various channels, including website chatbots, social media interactions, email communications, and more. Ensure that the messaging remains consistent and aligned with your brand identity across all touchpoints. There is a need to continuously monitor the performance of your Gen AI model and gather feedback from users to identify areas for improvement. Fine tune the model based on user input and adjust parameters as needed to maintain consistency and effectiveness. While Gen AI can help create a consistent brand personality, it's important to remain flexible and adapt to evolving trends and consumer preferences. Regularly review and update your brand guidelines to ensure that they remain relevant and reflective of your brand identity. Let's look into today's headlines. NCLT approves the Air India and Vistara merger. The National Company Law Tribunal, that is NCLT, has given its nod for a merger between airline companies Air India and Vistara. In its ruling, the NCLT approved a composite scheme of agreement proposed by Thales Private Limited, that is holding company of Air India, Tata SIA Airlines Limited, that is a joint venture between Tata Sons Private Limited and Singapore Airlines Limited, which operates Vistara Airlines, and Air India Limited, that is collectively referred to as petitioner companies. TCS launches Wisdom Next Gen AI aggregation platform. Tata Consultancy Services, that is TCS, has launched TCS AI Wisdom Next, a platform that aggregates multiple Gen AI services into a single interface and enables organizations to rapidly adopt next gen technologies at scale, low costs, and within regulatory frameworks. The industry leading platform is designed to remove barriers for customers to develop and launch business solutions, allowing for real time experimentation across vendor, internal, and open source LLM models. Zoho applies for license as it earmarks $200 million for semiconductor fab. Chennai based Zoho Corp has applied for a license to build a compound semiconductor fabrication plant, besides earmarking $200 million for the project. The Zoho Compound Fab project could reportedly attract around $600 million in net investment and will involve a technology partner. Zoho is also hoping that the government will finance the project equally under the Compound Semiconductor Manufacturing Scheme. RBI to prevent fraud by launching Digital Payments Intelligence Platform. The Reserve Bank of India has proposed to set up a digital payments intelligence platform. This platform will leverage advanced technologies to mitigate payment fraud risks in India. The RBI has formed a committee chaired by Sri AP Hota, former MD and CEO of NPCI, to advance its initiative. The committee will examine various aspects of establishing this digital public infrastructure and is expected to provide recommendations within 2 months. Samsung's AI Live Translate feature to work with third party voice calling message apps. Samsung has announced that the Live Translate features, which is part of its Galaxy AI suite, will soon work with third party message apps for voice calls. Samsung will soon extend the Galaxy AI beyond its own native calling app by expanding Live Translate to other third party message apps to support voice calls. It is likely that popular messaging apps such as WhatsApp and Telegram will incorporate it soon. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.